Hello there, my name is Robert Kustel. I'm an ordinary man from an ordinary place, and I'm here today to talk about the history of Proto-Saturn. Here we can see that the Earth used to be locked into a system known as the Saturnian system. This system consisted of Saturn functioning as a star, shielded by a large purple plasma sheath. The dim light coming off of Saturn will bounce around this sheath, paired with the already purplish glow, evenly heat and light in our Earth, giving us a constant day with no seasons. As for how Earth would have such a stationary connection, there are these electric currents, called Birkeland currents, that result when a magnetic field, such as Saturn's plasma sheath, runs in the back of the poles, twisting around itself, creating highly magnetic zones. Earth was locked into one of these zones, along with Mars, who was even closer to Saturn. This configuration held up since the beginning of the Saturnian system up until around 8,000 years ago, when it made contact with what is now our current solar system. When Saturn actually made contact with the Sun's plasma sheath, called the heliosphere, its own plasma sheath was effectively shut down, finally opening up the Earth to the sights of outer space. This also allowed the Sun to shine onto the Earth and the now failing Saturn, giving us the first glimpse into a sense of time as the Saturnian system rotated. This initial contact with the heliosphere also gave birth to a large Saturn flare, which in turn birthed Venus, who made her way along the Birkeland currents and sat between Mars and Saturn. As the Saturnian system progressed into the solar system, the Birkeland currents holding us up in place grew unstable, causing Mars to oscillate between Venus and Earth. When Mars came close enough to Earth, it appeared as a mountain in the sky, expelling large amounts of its surface down onto us, in the form of dust storms and meteor showers. Mars retreated and then oscillated extremely back towards Venus. These two put on a different show in the sky and appeared to fight as they exchanged incredible arcs of electricity and streams of plasma. The circumstances of this fight was to showcase the weakening of Saturn's energy, and as the fight ended, so did the Saturnian system. All of the previously joined bodies drifted apart into their current positions, effectively marking the successful capture of the Saturnian system. My name is Robert Kustel, and this has been my take on the Purple Dawn theory.